In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the MindBody app anywhere with this full guide. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your operations or a client eager to access your favorite fitness classes on the go, the MindBody app is a versatile tool that can help you manage everything from bookings to payments. Let's get started. First, let's dive into online booking and scheduling. Log into your MindBody business app or your desktop dashboard. From there, navigate to schedule, then classes, and finally add class. Here, you can fine-tune all the details like the class name, the instructor, duration, and capacity. Once set, your clients can view and book the class through your MindBody app listing, your website booking widget, or even a direct link you might share on social media. A quick tip: consider enabling the waitlist option so your loyal clients can secure their spot even if the class initially fills up. Next up is integrated payments, a breeze with MindBody's built-in secure payment processing. Head over to Sales, proceed to Settings, and click on MindBody Payments. Set up your business banking details and seamlessly connect your account. Clients can then pay for drop-in classes, memberships, gift cards, packages, or passes, whether online, in person, or via mobile checkout. What about setting up recurring billing for memberships? This handy feature can ensure clients remain active and guarantees a predictable income stream for you. When it comes to client management or CRM, the MindBody app offers a comprehensive approach. Simply go to Clients and then Client List. Clicking on a client's name presents a treasure trove of information: booking history, memberships, personal notes, preferences, and contact details. Personalizing your service is as easy as adding notes like prefers morning yoga or has shoulder injury. Want to step up your marketing game? Use tags such as VIP or new client to create targeted marketing campaigns later. A true powerhouse tool is the marketing suite and automations. Automated marketing that works around the clock. You'll find it under Marketing Suite within the Marketing section. Here, launch campaigns, design automations like welcome or birthday flows, and run promotions. Tracking performance is just as easy under Insights, where open rates and conversions help you refine your strategies. A client favorite is the automated "We Miss You" reminders, which effectively bring back inactive members. For those venturing into virtual wellness, integrating live streaming is simple and effective. Enable virtual wellness under Settings, then MindBody Virtual Wellness. When you create a class, just toggle on Enable Virtual Class, and a private streaming link is automatically generated for booked clients. This allows your clients to join live sessions from anywhere, straight from their confirmation email or the app itself. Understanding your business's performance, client retention, and revenue trends is made easy with reports and analytics. Visit Reports and click Business Reports. You can delve into sales reports for daily revenue insights, attendance reports to gauge the popularity of specific classes and instructors, and retention reports to analyze client loyalty. Export your reports as PDF or Excel files for personal bookkeeping or strategic meetings. Finally, let's not forget the MindBody app from the client's perspective. It's a fantastic tool that allows them to search local fitness studios, book classes instantly, make secure payments, receive reminders, and even leave reviews. As a business owner, your visibility on this app ensures you reach a wider audience, gaining new clients who might not have discovered you otherwise. And there you have it. Now you know how to